A grade appeal letter can make a significant difference because a final grade may affect your GPA, academic standing, scholarship eligibility, graduation requirements, or admission to future programs. If you believe your grade resulted from a calculation error, overlooked work, or another legitimate academic concern, a well-written grade appeal letter gives you the opportunity to request a fair review while maintaining respect for your instructor and the academic process. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal information at the top of the letter. For example, Daniel Brooks. Student ID 202641582. daniel.brooks@email.com 415-555-2874. This section identifies who is submitting the appeal and gives your instructor an easy way to locate your academic records and contact you if necessary. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, July 9th, 2026. The date establishes when your appeal was submitted, which is important because many schools have deadlines for grade appeals. Recipient information. Next, write your instructor's information. For example, Dr. Rebecca Lawson, Department of Business Administration, Westbrook University, 725 University Avenue, Seattle, Washington, 98195. United States. This directs your appeal to the appropriate instructor or academic official responsible for reviewing your grade. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, Grade Appeal for Business Ethics, BUS 301. The subject immediately identifies the purpose of your letter and specifies the course involved. Salutation. Address your instructor professionally. For example, Dear Dr. Lawson, using a respectful greeting sets a professional tone and demonstrates courtesy throughout the appeal process. Opening paragraph. Now explain why you are writing. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to respectfully appeal the final grade I received for Business Ethics, BUS 301, for the spring 2026 semester. I appreciate the time and effort you dedicated to teaching the course, and I am grateful for the opportunity to learn under your instruction. This opening paragraph introduces your appeal in a respectful and professional manner. It acknowledges your instructor's efforts before presenting your request, helping establish a cooperative tone from the beginning. Starting with appreciation shows that your appeal is focused on seeking a fair review rather than criticizing the instructor. Reason for appeal paragraph. Next, explain why you believe your grade should be reviewed. For example, after carefully reviewing my course performance and the grading criteria, I believe my final grade may not accurately reflect my work due to a possible grading error involving my final research project. I would appreciate the opportunity to have my grade reviewed. This paragraph clearly explains the reason for your appeal. State only factual and legitimate concerns, such as a calculation error, an overlooked assignment, or an inconsistency with the grading rubric. Keeping your explanation objective and supported by facts makes your appeal much stronger. Supporting evidence paragraph. Now explain the evidence supporting your appeal. For example, to support my appeal, I have included copies of my graded assignments, examination scores, the course grading rubric, feedback received on my final project, and my grade calculations. I respectfully request that these materials be considered when reviewing my final grade. This paragraph shows that your appeal is based on evidence rather than opinion. Mention the documents you are providing and explain how they support your request. Organizing your supporting materials clearly makes it easier for your instructor to review your appeal thoroughly. Academic integrity paragraph. Next, acknowledge the importance of the grading process. For example, I understand the importance of maintaining fairness and academic integrity in the grading process. My intention is not to challenge your judgment without reason, but to ensure that my work has been evaluated accurately and according to the course requirements. This paragraph demonstrates professionalism and respect for the instructor's role. It reassures the reader that you value fairness and are simply requesting an accurate evaluation based on the established grading criteria. Meeting request paragraph. Now request further discussion if necessary. For example, if possible, I would appreciate the opportunity to meet with you or discuss this matter at your convenience. I am happy to provide any additional information or documentation that may assist in the review of my appeal. This paragraph invites constructive communication and shows your willingness to cooperate throughout the review process. Remaining flexible and respectful can help facilitate a productive discussion. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your time, understanding, and consideration of my request. I appreciate your willingness to review my concerns, and I look forward to your response. This closing paragraph expresses appreciation while ending your appeal on a positive and respectful note. A courteous conclusion leaves a professional final impression. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely Daniel Brooks. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Student information. Finally, include your student identification. For example, student ID 2026411582. Including your student ID helps the instructor quickly locate your academic records and ensures your appeal can be processed efficiently. Before submitting your grade appeal letter, carefully review every detail to ensure your explanation is accurate, your supporting evidence is complete, and your tone remains respectful throughout the letter. A strong grade appeal focuses on facts, follows the institution's appeal procedures, and clearly demonstrates why a review is justified. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.